This is a video for NuLink. There's no doubt that we're doing it very late. Which was on the list, but I skipped it. I mistakenly skipped it. So we're gonna run it now. It's still up. The form is still live, so there's no biggie. So the first thing we're going to do is to claim the BNB faucet. You guys know that we've been doing NuLink since last year. Actually, doing NuLink since last year, we did the Azili almost throughout the whole year, and NuLink is not new to us. So we're going to come over here, enter our wallet address, getting 0.3 BNB. So just get to the 0.3 BNB, and that's it. Once you're then getting the faucet, you come over to their main site, the dashboard. It's a very easy testnet anyway, so we'll come here, we'll connect our wallet, we change the network to BNB testnet. So we'll sign in our wallet. Sign in. Click on the wallet icon, okay, to mint the NuLink. So we'll click on the wallet icon. We'll click on test NLK, okay, and we'll proceed. That's for them to give us the test token, the NLK, okay. So we'll get that. Then I think we can also get BNB too. Proceed. Let's see if they give us BNB. Okay, no, it takes us directly. Okay, so we've already gotten the BNB. Now we've gotten the test NLK. So the first thing we're going to do is to stake. So I'm going to click on stake. I think I haven't gotten it yet. So let me just wait to get it. Alright guys, so all I had to do was reload the site. The site did not load, so we're going to click on mass. It says 5. We're going to approve. After approving, we're going to stake. Okay. Alright, I'm going to stake now. Obviously, the site is not reloading by itself, so I guess you have to reload. So I'm going to confirm that. So after staking, the next thing we're supposed to do is to run a node. We're going to be running a node on Ubuntu. I don't know if you guys are familiar with Ubuntu. So I won't be doing that on this video, but I'll do that later on for you guys. So the node, to run the node, you can use the steps available here. They're quite very simple. These codes, you're supposed to just copy them and run them directly in your terminal on Ubuntu. Okay. We're not going to be doing that in this video. So we're going to come over here and do the last side, which is node information. So I'm going to click on bond worker. Okay. So here you're going to enter your wallet address, yours, to bond you as as that you're running the node as a worker. So you click on bond. So you have to leave your node running here. Okay, you have to get at least 80%. So yeah, you need to achieve 80% at least. So basically that's it, guys. It's not any long thing at all. Which wait for um if you run the node, you have to wait for the node to come in. That's you run it on your Ubuntu, then it will come live. So basically that's everything, guys. You can decide to stake again. I think you can still stake 5, approve and stake. So it should be the old 10 you stake. It's a very easy test net. It's not biggie. It just skipped I skipped it on the list. So like I said, the site does not reload by itself. So so you don't get confused to reload the site yourself. So I'm just gonna click on stake here, max, and we're going to stake. So basically, I'm going to do another video sometime during the week to show you guys how to run the node on your Ubuntu. Right now we have a lot to do. You know, we took a rest, and now we're back for our rest. Rest is necessary. It helps you to see. It helps you to stay updated on the ones you've done already. But when you don't rest, you won't see clearly. So that's it, guys. I'll close this now. We're going to run the node, like I said. So the last part of this, which you have to. So this is the form. It's a raffle actually. So here you put in your address, okay? You put in your wallet address. Here also you put in your wallet address. So here we have to state the epoch in which um our node was running for 7 days. But right now we've not run the node, so I'm not going to be filling this form actually, just showing you guys how to fill it. I'm not going to be filling it now. When I run the node, so I'll be able to answer this part. So basically that's it, guys. It's a very fast testnet and no biggie. I'll show you guys in the group.